Hey guys, so I was just on Ground Zero with Clyde Lewis. First of all, I want to say thank you to Ron Patton for calling me up and having me on. Dev Roon from MUFON in California, they tried to reach you, but they couldn't get a hold of you. They were going to have you on instead of me. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. What did we talk about? We discussed the drones over New Jersey. Then we talked about the UAPs, perhaps drones, seen over Portland, Oregon, and Eugene, Oregon. Then I shared the late breaking news that tonight in Temecula, California, also in San Diego, California, more drone sightings. It's a very interesting stuff. Also, near the very end of the show, we talked about the Manchester airport, the blue orb UAP, the spherical orb that was seen landing on the tarmac, actually hovering above the tarmac, and then taking off. What was interesting about that one? While the airport refutes the claim, photo analysis of the UAP remains inconclusive. Why? Because it shows no manipulation of the photo. So that leaves us to question, was it real? I think it was real. Again, there's so much that was discussed on tonight's show. Do me a favor and go to Ground Zero with Clyde Lewis. You'll find the link on my Facebook page and enjoy listening to a great show. Thank you very much. I'm Anthony Sanchez. Please look up Strange Radio Central on YouTube. That's my little tiny show, and it'll be a lot of fun. Thank you so much. By the way, one more thing before I leave. I just released an article today called Exposing the UAP Drone Agenda. Are we witnessing a psy-op? Great article, and there's a video coming out on that. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.